YouTube, hear me saying TroyStarz again with part 3 of the story. So you know, TroyStarz did it again. You know, right after this message, you're gonna just jump into the conversation right away. Because I know I've been waiting, but telling you something I give it to you raw, unedited. You don't know me just want to say that. Anyway, big up on yourself. Make sure you're there when this done. Respect, peace.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Never ever insist yourself to someone who continuously overlooks your worth. And remember, it's not the people that stand by your side when you're at your best, but the ones who stand beside you when you're at your worst that are your true friends.
Yes, YouTube, TroyStarz again, as I said before. And, we're there. No, jump into it right away. No, after me get, after me get fired from a second job, now everything start get real. Now, I have to ask myself, where this going? You know what I mean? When this are gonna stop, or what I really want out of life now. Maybe start to ask yourself a whole part question. Maybe, now, I forget a grip. I have to know what I go on. I need to do something, I need to do it right now. You know what I mean? 2 times that, Anyway, send in the next application again. Send the next application. We get fired so we get fired the Tuesday. We do an interview. We get fired the Tuesday, we do an interview about the Thursday. Get through with the work the Monday. Me start work the following weekend. So less than a week, me get back at work. Because even though them a fire me, seeing? Because me know the real reason behind all of them. Because me know say, if somebody I go fire you, and the reason why them a fire you, when the other company are also look on whatever the reason may be, them not really want to take you neither, because them go say, well, you is a me not have no accident record. Me not have no of them record where the cause of not forgetting a job. Everything where come up is just try if you look better. Try I look him way out. I try if he progress himself and try work something in a life, and him know where I'm after. Him know where I go towards. And people on the other hand, I really want to see that both company and friends around you. Real talk, me are going right now. You see, most of them people when I have around us on a friend, I want to know them and I want to talk and I want to rap. Most of them not good. Most of them no wish to see nothing better for you. As a matter of fact, them have a rat race to run. It's like the race is you not supposed to be there before them. You know what I mean? You understand what I mean? You not supposed to be ahead of them. Which is not, you are the one who stop them from gain what they want to gain. And you're not the one who stop them from be what they want to be. But them think about it, but they not push themselves to go towards it. But as soon as them see you as strive, who is you if it dead? So through that now, then try fight on your thing, them bad mind your thing, then talk about your thing, then put it in the arc and the ears so they know enough for going now. Just to make your thing water down, just to make your thing not make it. You know what I mean? I may go through them fight there. But you see with me now, it's hard for you as an individual look on me and know some of my problems. Because I how me keep myself. I'm not going to say I keep myself to myself, because more time I have a reason. I have to talk to somebody to get information. I have to talk to somebody to get advice more time, because you alone with that and you have soaked in everything, and once you're stuck and can't move, you have to ask the question. You know what I mean? It's like you go through a phase with your girlfriend and you wonder if you're wrong or you're right, but you tell her say you're right, but you see she cuss and she upset and she vex. And you say, why she vex so I know me right? No way, if you don't have to ask somebody with experience now, say, ask them all type of way if you hear it, don't have to say, and if you not sound good, with the answer where you get back, you have to go back and you have to go make an apology, dog, because you're the wrong. Now, how you don't know say the wrong if you never say nothing to nobody? You just broke up a relationship and knows and the foolishness you do. So the moral of that little story that we just give is sometimes you have to spread your information in our sense to get feedback to know if you're on the right track. So sometimes people say you tell people your business too much, me understand that part there. But sometimes if you don't talk, you don't know what to do. Telling people your business or telling people what you're about to do is a part of research, brother. You can't always read all you want and you look on all the way you want, but if you don't get it verbally and if you never get it, you don't get it straight. Because remember, by the end of the day, you know what you want. But one thing you want to know is little more motivation and little more correction from where you go and little more direction now where to steer you. And the only way you can get that unless you try to find it out. It's not everybody, mark me now, it's not everybody will tell your business is going to be that person. We're going to cheer for you and who. They will have a whole heap of things to say. But if you don't do your little calculation already and you see where this thing makes sense to you and this person, you get negative vibes, you have to leave that person alone and continue with somebody else. So if you have 4 or 5 person that give you negative vibes, sometimes you don't need to give up neither. Sometimes you need to look it real, rethink it, look into it, because marketing now, they may give you the right information when they say don't do that yet or don't do that, or if they have a good reason behind it. What I don't like is when somebody will tell you not to do something, but yet they don't have a valuable reason to give you. The man say, don't buy a truck. And you say, why? Well, you don't think you want to take on all of the pressure. You don't think me want to take on all of the pressure. You're not nothing stable to tell me. Tell me something. Give me something like, I mean, I don't know. But give me something. And I can sit and think about it and say, no, I just ease myself and go and build yourself. Or ease myself and go back to school and do that and do this. But even when you put them thoughts in your head, if you don't have the money for send back yourself to go to school, and if you don't have that money for continue where you want to go, you will never move from where you're there. You will just stay start drive for people who don't really appreciate you. And then by the end of the day, you leave with nothing. You understand? And when you really look into this thing, you say to yourself, so then it's just a cycle. A return. It's just because it's not counting this. You know what I mean? It's just a cycle of return. So you have a pre-life deep and know where you want to if you say, you know, I'm not going to just done work and be done work. Nobody not get nothing. Not even me. We do so much work not get nothing. I want to alone and buy up this and buy up that. I'm not grudging nothing, but I want to make people know some one piece of the cake too. I never come here to help nobody build themselves and not build my home. I never come. Yo, hear me and say, YouTube, want to listen to TroyStarz. Me never come here to help nobody build themselves and me don't get nothing. Listen what I say. Me never come here to build nobody and not get nothing for myself. If me come here to build you, me supposed to can see my way out too. Me not supposed to build you and me there I suffer same way and nothing I go on and then me go back on my yard and I have nothing. Me never come here for that. Send back on my yard if that is the case. Me no want, you hear me answer them, man. Cool off. Don't draw me out night. Cool off, man. See, listen to me now. I talk to me real way. I mean, I hold back. Hey, let me tell you, man, you have some youth up here where them heart bitter, brother. When I say bitter, them heart bitter. Them try every powers to try to get you out. You see me? I see them, you know. I know them, you know. How I do? I build. Me hear what I go on and I build. Because you see, after I done talk to them with this, I go telling them why I giving you all that story that I just come back from part 1, 2, and 3, you know. I have a story for giving, you know, YouTube. So I want to not tune in, you know. I don't want to not go nowhere, you know. Because now if you hear that story, especially me all subscribers, they with me from day one and see how TroyStarz are doing things and see what I go on and motivate me and send me the email and send me a text and like to see what I go on and make them feel proud. I know when I want to know what happens next. I'm going to break it down for show you how me use this, to turn it round. Me use the ball of fire to light up my campfire. So they might fire me and me use the fire light up campfire. So what that mean? Me nah fight fire with fire. Me raise it, me blaze it. They might give me a little fire and me just catch up. So what happen now when me catch up with fire? What do you think happen? Them things that make the fire get bigger. But them think of it them. No, brother. No, brother. Make the fire blaze for me. Anyway, come out of the silent zone and come back to reality now. I talk to you really in YouTube. I try to start this. I get to you really because you know, me I do my thing, you know. You know what I mean? But there here, I telling you this. And what me about for telling you in the next video. Me don't want nobody feel like say, well, then try. No know him, I try make a wrong move. See? I want to understand from where me I come from to yesterday. You understand? I the same you this. We used to go school with his clothes crushed because I don't like me couldn't press the clothes. Not like never there, me have to press the clothes. But to all me they have my things set away. When I go to school, I tell them say I crush day today. Me used to invent day. Crush day. People laugh because they think I joke. Me never have no light if you press the clothes, brother. That's why I never press, but me just come in with a little surgery and say, yo, I crush day today. Shirt, pants, everything crush. Walking at school catch a fire. People laugh till them weak and say, try, you know, easy, you know. They would even know. Because nobody don't know your pain, nobody don't know when you carry yourself certain way, nobody never knows how one shoes me ever when me done wear that. I look at white shoes and me don't wear that and tight up nice scanner bag and put it on because I want to dust or mash it up and hear me a say no man. Hear me a say no man. No listen to me no man. Me never come up here if you go back down broke. Me never come up here if you never have nothing. Me never come up. Me come up here because me see opportunity. Me come up here because me want better myself. Me come up here because the struggle me used to go through in a life. Me come up here because the amount I put out. Yo, hear me and say the man, you see the amount I put out TroyStarz get. But yo, when you can look at me and say, what I want to put it? The amount I put out me get. I want to say put out for all of the foreigner them when I understand what put out mean. When the landlord throw you outside of your house. When you go home and you see your things them pack up outside the gate and your mother out there and your sister them out there and them pack them things together and the gate behind that lock. That means if people then come and change and lock we never have the money to pay the rent. You have to jump out and know, so you hear me and say no, you have to go find somewhere go now, you know, you have to go do what you have to do now, you know, and you turn back tears in your eye, you can't make, even make them see you one ball. You have to spin a roll and walk off and go, get couple help and link with a link and see if we can get one truck and see if we can get somewhere and put some of your things them this and put some of your things them over this and then when you find somewhere next day, you know, you're just moving everything and you try to borrow money and you hear me and say no man. You hear me and say no man. TroyStarz no way to know. I mean I go on to the real way, you know, man. I come me and nice up, you know. I come do my work, I know me can work. But beyond doing the work, I know when I left a yard, I know I used to go through, I'm not going back the same way. I'm not going to rob, I'm not going to thief, I'm going to do it honest. But I'm going to work with the opportunity when I get. So you can fire all you want, you can do all, I know I never ever give up. Because every plan A have a plan B if you have a mind. Listen to me now, man. Don't make me start preach it night and I can give it to you in words, you know, brother. I may have action, I may have whole heap of people to prove this, you know, man. Because right now, my friend them hear this and so me link them, we used to live in me, you know, they hear this, man, I say that you there. Hey, I'm telling you this, YouTube, because I don't know this, you know, it's the most of who see me there foreign, happy, you know, man. Most of who know what I go on and see movement, feel good for me, you know, man. Me can't tell none of that, you know, man. When I go, anywhere I live and say, I mention my name, try, my people respect up, people say, you see that youth there? The youth, they never stop. Yo, hear me I say that, man. Hear me I say that. YouTube. It wasn't a better rose. It wasn't easy. You know what I mean? I'm come to like my family. Because you see, I don't really talk my business like that and out there. But I say, you know, I'm a big man now. I don't have nothing to hide. You know what I mean? And the reason why I give it to you like this because of the story I have for going after this, you know. And that's why I put it out, you know, and I couldn't know why I make the move them with me making, you know what I mean? So it's not like I come here and to my love chat me there and make video because I want people subscribe and views. You hear me I say no, man? Go laugh, man. Me dey alright to me 200 subscribers and me like 50 and me like 20 subscribers. Now me dey we are 900 that I got 1,000. I know me feel good. You understand? Hear me I say to you. Hear me I say to you. Me there and I know at least one person me a motivate. At least one person, and that's all me need. If you know say me can talk and somebody out there listen to me and take my words and say, you know what? Me go get up off my bottom and me go make myself a man. You know what I mean? And go out there and do what them need to do. And show the world, say, listen, you can talk bad all you want to talk bad. And me, same one. You know what I mean? And that's why you see that you, the DJ them name Laden, a theme song them, me rating them, man. Even though you may listen to my voice cartel, I go on easy. When you come on to Laden, and me same one with a different plan. You know what I mean? So you run me, but I'm the same one, but we have a different plan, you know. So that plan you can't touch it. You see me and say, so hear me and say them on YouTube. I TroyStarz, you know. And alright now. Now, move on to the other company, start doing my thing. You understand? And I kind of take this with a different approach. You know what I mean? We start deal with it kind of like anyway, I know that word already. Discreet. So anyway, we start to deal it different now. You know, me start hold it down, me start not like say, me don't know what go on, you know, just start hold my own and say, you know what? Before that company fire me, you know. Me no in the foolishness, you know. Me do what me need to do. I'm leaving on good terms. You know, see the video when I say, yo, TroyStarz leaving the company on good terms. Me no make you reach on to the point when nobody I go say, yo, because me know what when you start progress yourself and start. You see, once you not go do nothing, nobody not trouble you. So that alone send you a clear message. Once you have no intention to buy no offer for yourself, nobody not trouble you. You see, if you go buy one Chris car, a new car, they applaud you for that. They want you to buy your new van because you know you're not going anywhere. You drive them truck up and down the whole time and you have to pay for them van and pay rent and you're not going to thrive and move from where there. Them thing that them want. You understand? And if you chop yourself like that, remember, TroyStarz are there to tell us, brother, do better, make better move. You know what I mean? Better is there. Them Chris weekend now runway because next year you're going to see something better than the one you drive now. So work with a little record thing. Not something where I pop down and look disgusting, but one little record thing. And make that record thing carry through. You fix it up, you deal with it, and now no care payments. You go and build yourself, you have your family come up, you have your this or that. When your body come in and settle down and mommy start work and fitness start gas school and everything look kind of little easier, you jump in your nice vehicle and you lean back your seat, you turn on your AC, you blow your horn and you drive off. Nice and good, nobody naturally, everything set, brother. But when you go pressure yourself now, you also make down the road look worse. You understand? Anyway, to continue again. Now, me finish up with our work then and organize to get in my truck and get in the whole works. And I go finish up that topic here again with the moral of the story. Make sure when you make up your mind to make your move, is that type of move you want to make. Make sure you have plan A, B, and C. Make sure when you tell anybody anything, don't tell them the full aspect of the story. Tell them piece of the story and leave back your secret weapon in your pocket. Cause what may I come next, with my next video, I go make you know why me have a secret weapon in my pocket while me there wanna look information and why people feel like say them they win. TroyStarz, I go be right back or with a next video for make you know hear what you need to hear. Big up on yourself. Thanks to Tony and as well me I say peace, you know, man. I want to see this comment them down there comment box are coming rapid, you know, man. Come on, hear everybody are saying, you know. Big up on yourself at TroyStarz. Peace.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.